Hello! In this video, I will show how you can easily apply coloring to the cells to visually differentiate a specific data in your board. Let's take as an example a sales team who is having a leads board, and there you want to very quickly see which are the leads that have highest number of employees in the company. So what we can do is we can apply a conditional coloring. To do so, I can just click on the three dots here and select conditional coloring. Here, first we need to select the color that we want to apply, and here you can see the list of the colors we have. Let's say I want to take the green one, then I need to define if I want to apply it to a particular cell or I want to apply it to the whole row. Let's take the whole row, and then we can define the condition. So first we need to select the column that we want to apply, and in our case it will be employees amount, and here we have different options that we can choose. In our case, I want to see all the employees that have more than 1,000, all the clients that have more than 1,000 employees. So here I will select it's bigger than or equal, and here I will write down the number. Okay, and here you can see very quickly that we already have this underlined. Now what we can do is we can also add a second condition. For example, I want also to underline those that have less than 200 employees. So in this case, I can add another condition, and here I can again select the color. I will select the row, and here I will select employee amount is less than 200. Okay, and in this case we will have them underlined green, red as well. I can go further and I can save this as a new view. And at any stage, if I want to very quickly see my board that has conditional coloring, I can come to this particular view. I hope this was helpful.